Joining me on this India Today exclusive is the newly appointed Chief Minister of Karnataka, the next Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Basavaraj Bommai. Firstly, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Did you know this was going to happen this evening?
No, I had kept my finger crossed. Of course, I knew that I was one among the 6-7 people in the reckoning. But I had kept my finger crossed for so many reasons. I had not been to Delhi.
Yeah.
However, my Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, my Home Minister, Amit Shah ji, Defence Minister, Rajnath Singh ji, and my Central President, Nadda ji, has given a detailed thought on this and reposed such a faith in me. And they have, in spite of so much of fierce competition, they have chosen me. I am grateful to them. I really thankful to them. And I promise the people of Karnataka and promise my central leadership that I will rise to the occasion. I will try to keep up whatever the faith and trust they have kept in me. I will try to keep it up.
If you look at BJP High Command, they've always been throwing googlies at the government. The new Chief Minister is always a surprise candidate, be it Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh or Haryana. Now it's you here in Karnataka. What worked in your favor? You're also a close confidant of the previous Chief Minister. You're not from the same party since the beginning of your political career. What worked for you?
See, I know that my Prime Minister and Home Minister are for good governance, are for honest governance, and are for efficient governance. And from day one I strived for it, and I tried to give a best of administration in Home Ministry and a very clean administration in Home Ministry. That has really worked for me.
What are your immediate challenges for Karnataka? You have already, the state has seen 2 waves, and what next? What are your immediate challenges?
My immediate challenge is there is immediate floods, so I have to attend to it. And the next prepare Karnataka for COVID-3. God forbidden it should not come, but anyhow we have to be ready for the situation. So I'm preparing it myself. In fact, I'm having a senior bureaucrats meeting tomorrow on this count.
And have you thought about your cabinet already? Do you have a list of MLAs who will be joining your cabinet? How soon will you expand it?
See, I have just become the Chief Minister in waiting about few hours back. I have never given a thought.
Okay.
That's why I am swearing in alone tomorrow.
Okay.
So once that is done, and then I think I'll sit with all the senior leaders and Yediyurappa ji and guidance of Prime Minister and Home Minister. We'll be able to sort it out, and I have spoken to Nadda ji also on this count.
Okay.
Certainly, we will have one of the efficient cabinets.
What we have seen in the last few hours is Mr. Bommai has been being praised across parties. Deve Gowda, Siddaramaiah, DK Shivakumar are heaping prizes that the BJP has selected a right candidate.
See, this will increase my responsibility. I see that. Because the expectation of all these leaders, probably they will be looking into the legacy which my father has left. So based on that, they are putting a lot of faith in me, like my central leaders, Narendra Modi ji and Yediyurappa ji. So I have to live to the expectation of everybody, and I am very confident given the experience, and I worked with more than 5 chief ministers very closely. I've seen them work.
Yeah.
So I am confident that I'll take everybody along. And in important state matters, I'll take all parties also with me, and I will lead it from the front.
Do you want to remember your father also at this point of time? He was a former chief minister of the state too, and today his son has become the chief minister.
Yeah, he's always his principles, and I remember how he stood in difficult times, and that is a guiding spirit for me. He is there behind me, always guiding for right and wrong.
And also it was, I remember you telling me about you worked for Tata Motors. Did you ever imagine that you would be Karnataka Chief Minister from Tata Motors in Pune to Vidhan Soudha, the top seat?
See, I was a very reluctant reluctant politician. I'm an engineer by profession. I was working in Tata Motors. I wanted to be an entrepreneur, that's why I came to Bangalore. but ended up in being politician because of the local situation in my father's constituency. And politics really drags on.
Okay. One final question. How are you planning to celebrate? I was talking to your son. He said you're going to eat your favorite food at home. What plans for your celebration?
Food is always my favorite food is cooked in my home. That is always there. But today I think I'll eat with all the family members here,
Family members.
all together.
Okay.
That itself is a great pleasure.
And you want to say something to your family at this point of time? This is the top post that you have occupied now. You want to tell something to them?
What I want to say is you look so happy, and if you want to be really happy, don't come near the politics. Keep away from my profession, but be close to me.
That's the newly appointed Chief Minister of Karnataka, the next Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Basavaraj Bommai. Sir, one final thing. India Today had predicted that hours before that even before the core committee happened, that we at 3 o'clock told you that it was Basavaraj Bommai, the Chief Minister of Karnataka.
That is India Today. So India Today is really living up to its name. And what India Today says, that happens that day. So India Today is a frontline leader. Yeah.
Congratulations to you and good luck to you. That was Basavaraj Bommai.
Thank you.